Hey guys, another week begins now. Yeah, I've already finished reading about the cadence, and it sounds like a very comprehensive DHT implementation, and it's probably going to be a lot of data source for us in the future, but for now I think it's too much for us, and we've decided to go with Kafka instead. So you'll be hearing about this design in the next few days. And now let's hear from the team. Okay, hi, if you wanted to talk first.
With me. I'm exciting. So today I have some tasks, bugs, design issues in Missions app, and then I continue to work, study about Kafka, doing the tutorial, study and understanding more how to work with Kafka.
And just remember that first priority is doing the estimations and the tasks on Moving.io, right?
Today I'm also reading about the Kafka implementations, and also I'm checking the option to use TypeScript instead of plain JavaScript, and doing some research about it, and we'll know soon enough.
Today I have some UI tasks, some bugs to fix in the mission app, and then I continue to study about Kafka, maybe also Cassandra, etc. These things.
Hey, so today I'm working on MVP design for a DailyDAV app, and we'll probably work with the team on the issues with IO and for Moving.io. This is it. Bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Party here. Yesterday the main focus was working across certain regulatory matters, making sure that we are good to go there. And today the main focus has been around working through some new engagement ideas and engagement topics, and then also working for some potential meetings as I believe our CTO Tal is coming to San Francisco. Thanks everyone, have a great day.
Hi guys, the end of last week I was following up on content that we made at the Volkswagen event on Wednesday. Today I'm providing comments on John's new narrative document, and I'll be preparing for an event happening tomorrow at the offices of Ernst & Young. See you next time.
Hey everyone, so for the last couple of days, the entire weekend actually, I spent it working on the new narrative for our strategic communications plan. Now that the token sale is over, there's still more work to be done, so I'm going to get back to it, and I'll see you guys next time.
Hey there, Davers Alec here. I just came back with a meeting with one of our lawyers here in Israel. They're actually connected me to their BizDev department, where we'll be connected to other customers which they represent. These customers are tier 1 OEMs. Other than that, I just issued an MOU to a very, very interesting app, and that's it. Have a great day. Bye.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today started the day with answering some mail and doing some follow-up, and then I edited the DailyDAV, and then I started testing the footage for the DailyDAV opener with some templates I got, and for the rest of the day I'm gonna edit and hopefully finish Jay Edelson's video. This is our new advisor video, so stay tuned. See you next time.
Hi everyone. Today is new summer day in Ukraine. Today I'll make a few changes in our illustration about DAV protocol. After then I'll draw new illustrations, drones for our beautiful site. I'll try make them unreal, beautiful and stylish, like the rest of the illustration in our project.